Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on personal number part 2. I hope you all are doing well. Before starting the lesson, it would be better if we recall the most important points from our last class. You can remember that we talked about personal number, right? What is a person? What is a number? Types of person and number. There are three types of person: first person, second person, and third person. There are two types of number: singular number and plural number. In this lesson, we will try to understand how the form of verb changes with the change in person and number. I repeat, how the form of verb changes with the change in person and number. So when we say person, we will talk about first person, second person, and third person. And when we say number, we will talk about plural number and singular number. Okay? Today we will discuss about be verb. Be verb means am, is, are. Am, is, are. These three are the present form of be verb, and was, were. These two are the past form of be verb. Was is the past form of am and is, and were is the past form of are. At first, we will discuss the relationship between first person and the be verb. Okay? First person. Can you remember the examples of the first person? Yes, that is I, and we, right? When we talk about first person singular number, the verb, the be verb, am is used. So, the sentence is, I am going to school. And when we talk about first person plural number, we, the be verb are is used. So the sentence is, we are going to school. Let's talk about the second person. And we all know that the second person, the example of the second person is one, that is you. Whether it is plural or singular, the second person is only you in both cases. So you, and when we talk about you, the be verb are is used. So the sentence is, we are going to school, right? And the third person, the example of the third persons are he, she, it, they. He, she, it, or any name is the example of the third person singular number, and they is the example of third person plural number, right? So when we talk about third person singular number, the be verb is used. So the sentence would be like, he is going to school, she is going to school, it is going to school, and Rohim, it is a name of a person, is going to school. But they, the plural form of the third person, takes are. They are going to school. So, in short, you can see that are, the be verb are, is used with plural numbers for all the three persons, and it is also used with the singular number of second person, right? Okay, now these all are in the present form. These being verbs are all in the present form. But if we want to say these statements in the past form, then what it would be? Let's try. I am going to school. It would be I was going to school. We are going to school. It would be we were going to school. You were going to school. He was going to school. She was going to school. It was going to school. Rohim was going to school. And they were going to school. So you can see that whenever you are using are, you need to use were in that place to make the statement past form. And whenever you are using is, you need to use was in that place to make it past form. Similarly, whenever you are using am, you need to use was in that place to make it past form again, right? So I hope you all have understood this lesson, and after understanding all these things, what you have to do, you have to practice given exercises. Okay, don't worry, this lecture sheet will be uploaded in the website and you can practice these exercises from there. Okay, let's do some exercises, one or two exercises from number A and B. Number A, fill up these blanks with am, is or are. I dash very tall. I play basket. You already know that I takes am. So I am very tall. I play basket. She dash my best friend. She dash nice. She is my best friend. She is nice. My father. My father is the third person singular number. So my father is a teacher in my school. Okay. Then go for exercise number B. Fill in the blank with was or were. I dash at home. If you think it in a present form, then what would be the answer? I am at home. But you already know that the past form of am is was. So I was at home. Okay. We dash in the garden. If you think it in a present form, then what would be the answer? We are in the garden. And again, you already know that where is the past form of are. So if we takes are, it will take where to make it past form, right? So we were in the garden. And don't worry, at first you start practicing these exercises and there will be answers given below the worksheet, and this will help you out. Okay, so till then, goodbye. Thank you for listening to my lecture, and be safe, stay at home. Assalamu alaikum.